Okay. Oh, okay. Well, welcome to my empty apartment tour 2021. This is my first apartment ever, so I'm really excited. So when you first walk in, first thing on my right side is gonna be a little closet filled with the water heater and then the washer and dryer. Coming over here is the bathroom. And in this bathroom, apparently this light bulb never goes out. That's what the lady said. I don't know if that's true or not, but we'll see. In here, we have some drawers. This one doesn't work because it's just a sink. And then as well as some cabinet space. And then some countertops that's supposed to look like granite, I think. But it's like actually wood instead.
Laminate.
Oh, it's laminated wood?
Laminated laminate stuff on the wood.
Oh, okay. And then coming further into here, we have my lovely toilet, which I'll be spending a lot of time on. Coming on this side, we have a little rack for my towels and my bathtub, which doesn't have a shower railing quite yet, but we'll get that when I go to Bed Bath & Beyond. One thing I really like about this place is how high the ceilings are to make it look more open concept. And coming further out here, into this little hallway to the right, we have my kitchen. I don't know how to cook, so this is gonna be kind of hard for me to cook when I'm older. Actually, no, I gotta learn now. Then in this cabinet, we have some cabinet space. What's up here?
It's just more cabinet.
Oh, more cabinet space.
And exhaust fans.
Oh, and the vent.
The vent, so that's why the vent up there too, the box cover.
Oh, I can actually put stuff up there too, right?
Yes, you can. You can put fake flower.
Oh my gosh, wait, that's so true.
The vase to decorate, whatever. Same thing on that one, on the top of the refrigerator.
Oh my gosh, wait, you're so right, Mom. Yeah.
So tall ceiling is not open concept. Tall ceiling make the building bigger. Make your room space feel bigger.
My mom knows this stuff pretty well, so to her, she thinks I'm saying everything wrong, probably, right?
No,
Yeah.
so far so good.
And then in here we have a giant microwave.
That's huge.
Yeah, it's huge. I don't know.
Which you only heat up food, that's it.
Very true, yeah. I only heat up food.
Frozen food.
Frozen food, exactly. I'll definitely need to learn how to cook more. But we have this really nice electric stove. And then here, there's also a little oven.
That ladle's huge.
It's huge, a huge oven, sorry. And then what's down here?
The shelf that you put cookie cutter, you know, when you make baking stuff, you put in there.
Oh.
That's just the shelf.
Oh, cute. Yes. And then more drawers here.
You already opened this one.
We did? Oh.
Yes.
More drawers here. More drawers here. And then another cabinet space. And then we have this huge fridge. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna put in here.
Oh, trust me.
You think I'll fill it up?
Oh yeah.
Really? Oh dang. The fridge is really nice.
Another thing, I don't know what happened to all the shell.
Oh, that's true.
Missing shell. Oh, maybe there's just only 2 shell. You just readjust, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we can ask them why it's only 2 shell.
Yeah. And then if not, we can always move one down here.
Yeah, we're gonna move it.
And this little drawer.
Yeah.
I don't know what you put in here though.
Cheese or something small.
Like prosciutto?
So, yeah, something that easy to see.
Some more drawers in here. And also some...
Wow, you have a lot of shelving there.
Wow.
Good.
Here is the freezer as well.
That's big enough.
A lot of space for my frozen food.
Yes. And there's a cabinet up there too.
More cabinet
shelf.
space
Yeah.
up here.
Yeah.
And then we have
More
some
shelf.
drawers,
More drawer.
more cabinet space.
Mm-hmm.
Plenty of space in here. And then also more space for heat. Probably my garbage.
That is correct.
And this nice like 2-sink action going on.
I like that. I like to sink, and you can pull that one out too.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Nice stainless steel. And then a dishwasher, which is gonna save my life because I don't really know how to wash dishes either.
So you're gonna use disposable everything.
Ta-da! Ooh.
That's a lot of stuff.
And then again, more drawers. Moving on to this side, we also have some closet space. I think this is supposed to be like a pantry, but like I don't eat that much food. I think like all the food will fit in my kitchen. So I'll probably store this with like more of my towels and like other necessities. besides food. It's pretty big in here too. And you can tell my parents really spoil me, so I'm gonna be having a hard time for the first month living on my own.
Okay, bye, Annette.
Bye! Oh, it's dark in here. Oh, it's dark in here, it's scary. Yes, and then this side is my living room. And then one thing I really like about this place is the balcony. I'm gonna blur it out in the back. I'm gonna be blurring this out so you don't see where I live or anything. But there's a nice, how do I open this? There's a nice place for me to hang out here. And yeah, it's nice railing right here.
Very windy.
Very windy today, but yeah.
Look back.
Yeah. And on this side, there's some place for chairs to be right here, and I can eat.
Stool.
Breakfast. Oh yeah, there's a place for stools to be right here for me to have like breakfast or something. I don't know quite yet. And yeah, and also these nice little light bulbs. I plan on changing it into the Philip Hughes bowl so I can like change the light and color and do a little party in here. Okay. Moving on to this side right here is my bedroom. So when you walk in, my bedroom actually has carpet floors instead of hardwood floors, which is really nice because I don't really want to have my room to be like too cold, you know, when it's more roomy with the carpet and everything. So when you walk in here, first thing you see is this giant window, which I absolutely love since the walls, the color of my apartment, honestly, I don't really like. I would prefer if they had it white, but totally understandable since this is an apartment and this is being rented out. Anyways, there's a giant ass wall right here, or no. There's a giant ass window right here that brings in a lot of lighting, which is great, and also some blinds. And then finally, I have some closet space.
Yeah, because they come out sun high, sun big, they require sprinkler.
Alright, if you stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Subscribe for more moving content because there will be a lot more. And thank you so much to my mom and my dad for always helping me out and especially getting me this apartment. I'll stop it now before I start crying on camera. But yes, thank you so much. Bye!